Hello, friends. Welcome back to Webronaq. Today, we're going to crack open one of the most asked C programming questions. How do you actually reverse a number using a loop? Like, if I give the computer 1, 2, 3, 4, how does it flip it around and give me back 4, 3, 2, 1? Sounds like magic, right? But trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see it's just 3 simple steps repeating over and over. Let me show you exactly how it works. Alright, before we jump into the full logic, let me introduce you to the 3 main operations that do all the work. Every time the loop runs, these 3 things happen in order. Step 1, we grab the last digit of the number. We do this using the modulus operator, which is that % sign you see here. Don't worry, I'll explain it more in a minute. Step 2, we build our reversed number. We take whatever we've built so far, multiply it by 10 to make room, and then add the digit we just grabbed. Step 3, we remove the last digit from the original number. That way, next time the loop runs, we can grab the new last digit. That's the whole game. Extract, build, shrink. Over and over until nothing's left. Let me show you this in action. Okay, this is the visual that's going to make everything click. Let's actually reverse the number 1234 together, step by step. At the start, our number n is 1234, and reversed is 0. Empty, nothing built yet. Loop runs for the first time. We grab the last digit of 1234, which is 4. Then reversed becomes 0 times 10 plus 4, which is just 4. And n shrinks from 1234 down to 123. Loop runs a second time. Last digit of 123 is 3. Reversed becomes 4 times 10 plus 1, which is 43. And n shrinks to 12. Third loop. Last digit of 12 is 2. Reversed becomes 43 times 10 plus 2, which is 432, and n shrinks down to 1. Fourth loop. Last digit of 1 is 1. Reversed becomes 432 times 10 plus 1, which is 4,321, and n shrinks to 0. And the moment n hits 0, the loop stops. Our final reverse number is 4,321. Pretty cool, right? 4 simple loops and we flip the whole number around. Let me show you this one more time, but visually, so you can literally watch the digits flow from one side to the other. At the start, n is 1, 2, 3, 4, and reversed is empty, sitting at 0. After the first loop, the digit 4 peels off from the right side of 1, 2, 3, 4 and lands on the left side of our reverse number. Now reversed is 4 and n is 123. After the second loop, the 3 peels off and joins reversed. Now we have 4, 3. Third loop, the 2 peels off and reverse becomes 4, 3, 2. Fourth and final loop, the 1 peels off and reverse becomes 4, 3, 2, 1. See how the digits are literally moving from the back of the originating number to the front of the reverse number? That's the whole trick. Each loop just peels one digit off and sticks it in place. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, let me pause and explain something that confuses a lot of beginners, this % sign. In C, the % sign is called the modulus operator, and it doesn't mean percentage. It gives you the remainder after division. So when we write 1234 mod 10, we're asking what's left over when you divide 1234 by 10? And the answer is 4. Here's a neat little trick. Whenever you divide any number by 10, the remainder is always the last digit of that number. Always. 1234 mod 10 gives 4. 567 mod 10 gives 7. 89 mod 10 gives 9. That's exactly why we use it in our reverse logic. It's the cleanest way to grab the last digit of any number, no matter how big it is. Okay, now let's talk about the other side of the trick, how we shrink the number. We do this with n divided equals 10, which is just a short way of writing n equals n divided by 10. Now, here's the important part. In C, when you divide 2 integers, the decimal part gets thrown away. So 1234 divided by 10 isn't 1230.4, it's just 123. The 4 gets chopped off. Watch this chain. 1234 becomes 123. 123 becomes 12. 12 becomes 1, and 1 becomes 0. And that 0 at the end, that's our signal. That's what tells the while loop, hey, we're done. There are no more digits left to process. So the loop stops and we get our final answer. Pretty clever, right? Division does the cleanup work while modulus does the digit grabbing. All right, let me wrap this all up in one simple picture so it sticks in your brain. Reversing a number in C comes down to just 3 operations, repeating in a loop. Extract, use the modulus operator to grab the last digit. Build, multiply the reverse number by 10 and add the new digit to the end. Shrink, divide the original number by 10 to chop off the last digit. Repeat these 3 steps until the number becomes 0. And that's it. That's the entire logic. No magic, no complicated math, just 3 lines working together in harmony. If this finally made the logic click for you, smash that like button and subscribe to Webronaq for more beginner-friendly C programming tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be there to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.